This is Project Rainier, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 built to our client's exact specifications. Rainier is painted in full gloss quantum gray color with black accents all around. Rainier sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with our BFG all-terrain tires. This D90 features a classic front bumper with daytime running lights and two work lights in the rear. On the inside, Project Rainier features a MOMO prototipo steering wheel, classic red face gauges, two Puma classic front seats, and Ford inward-facing jump seats. Each seat is wrapped in Garret Black Beauty and Torino salsa leather, stitched together in steel color thread. It also comes with custom vertical diamond inserts. Project Rainier is powered by a GM 5.3-liter V8 engine. Rainier also features an array of modern conveniences such as Apple CarPlay and access to USB ports.